What's that, Mama? What's that? ¿Tu sonaja? Yeah, that's your rattle? You like your rattle or you don't like it? A little bit? Viva! Viva! Oh, what's that? Shake it, Mama, shake it. Shake it. Gorda. Gorda. Hi, Mommy. Mommy's over here. Shake it, Mama. So we can show Daddy what you learned today, how to move your rattle. Más, más, más. Oh, look at those muscles. Look at those muscles of my baby. Yay. A ver, otra vez.